KCSE 2025 question in linear motion. The road connecting town A and town B is 160 kilometers. We have two towns, A and B, and the distance is 160 kilometers. A lorry traveling at an average speed of 45 kilometers per hour left town A. So town A, it was a lorry and the speed was 45 kilometers per hour. For town B at 11:50 a.m. It left this town at 11:50. At the same time, so at the same time it means 11:50 also, a car left town B, a car traveling at average speed of 75 kilometers per hour left town B for A. So the two vehicles are coming to meet. The two vehicles meet at C along the road. Determine the time when the two vehicles meet. So you have your relative speed. So we have two vehicles coming to meet. So here we are going to add. So we shall have 45 plus 75, which is 120 kilometers per hour. Then the distance between the two vehicles is 160 kilometers. We have distance between two vehicles. So if you want to get a time, have distance over the relative speed. So you have 160 over the relative speed, which is 120 kilometers per hour. So we are going to get, this will be 140 over 120, which is 1 and a third hours. So they met after 1 hour 20 minutes. So the time at which the two vehicles met, so the journey started at 11:50. So plus 1 hour 20 minutes. So this will be 10 carry 1 hour. So it was at 1:10 p.m. They met at 1:10 p.m. Then the distance in kilometer from town A to C. So if it took 1 hour 20 minutes for them to meet, so from town A town C, this was the lorry, and the lorry was traveling at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour. So we want the distance from town A to C. So if you want distance, get speed multiplied by time. So we have 45 kilometers per hour multiplied by 4/3 hours. 3 here 1, 3 here 15. So we have 60 kilometers. So at town C, they met, the distance was from A to C was 60 kilometers. So from A, then we have C, we had 60 kilometers. So this is where they met. Then we have this town B. Next part, they are saying the car stopped at town C for a period of 1 hour 30 minutes. The lorry continued with its journey at the same speed of 45 kilometers per hour. After the stop, the car left for town C. The car left town C for town A and arrived at its destination at the same time as the lorry arrived at B. So the car The car stopped at town C for 1 hour 40 minutes, which is 4/6 hours, which is this will be 10/6 hours. This one was stopping. It stopped. So the car started from this side. It was the lorry started from this side, and the car started from this side coming to this other side. So the remaining distance is 100 kilometers. So if the lorry continued with the journey, so the time that the lorry arrived at B the remaining distance is 100 kilometers over its speed, which is 5 kilometers per hour. So you're going to get 5 here 20, 5 here 9, 20/9 hours. So they're saying that after the stop, the car left town C for town A. So after the stop, the car left this town to town A and arrived at its destination at the same time as the lorry arrived at B. So it means the time it took the lorry from here to here, it is the same time that the car stopped, and also the time that it took to travel up to this point. So time took by car to be T. So it means total time by car to arrive at this other town, which is A, it will be T plus the hours which it stopped, which is 10/6. So since they arrived at the same time, it means when you have T plus 10/6, it will be equal to now 20/9 hours, which is the time that the lorry took from this point C to point B. So I need to find T. It should be 20/9 minus 10/6. This one simplifies to 10/6. Let me find the LCM. 10/6 is the same as 5/3, so this is 9. 20 minus this will be 3, 15, 5/9 hours. So it means the car took 5/9 hours to arrive at town A. So the one determine the average speed of the car for the journey from C to A. So the distance that the car had to travel from C to A is 60 kilometers. Then you divide by the time, which is 5/9 hours. So we'll have 60 multiplied by 9/5. This hours already cancelled. 12. So this will be 108 kilometers per hour.